Today I want to solve this Leetcode hard problem. It's called sliding window maximum. Basically, when you're given an array of integer nums, there's a sliding window of size k, and what the problem is asking for is it wants you to return an array of the max value of each subarray of size k. So to start off, we want to instantiate a variable called res, which is the array of the max values of each subarray. Then we want to instantiate temp variable, which is the temp subarray of size k. Now we want to loop through the nums array. And to start off, we want to append each ith element to the temp variable. And you want to make an if statement if the length of temp equals k, is size k, then you want to append the max value of each temp array to the resulting array. Then you want to pop off the first element of each subarray. Now we return the resulting array and see if this test case works. Okay, it works. Thanks, guys.